a fun and interesting exponential solution. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to split 40 in terms of 20. So the first step would be we can write it as 40 over 20 plus 20, which gives us 40 back. So we have over 20 to the power of 20. And now we're going to apply this law. A to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So according to this, we'll get 40 to the power of 20 times 40 to the power of 20 over 20 to the power of 20. Now we're going to split them. 40 to the power of 20 times 40 to the power of 20 over 20 to the power of 20. Now we're going to use, this is in terms of a to the power of m over b to the power of m. So we can club that. We'll have a over b whole to the power of m. So we're going to apply this here. So we get 40 to the power of 20 times 40 over 20 whole to the power of 20. Now 40 divided by 20 is 2. So we're going to write that 40 raised to 20 times 40 divided by 20 is 2 to the power of 20. Now what do we have? We are going to apply another law here. A to the power of m times b to the power of m is equal to a times b whole to the power of m. So we're going to apply this here, which gives us 40 times 2 whole to the power of 20. And 40 times 2 is 80 to the power of 20. And that's your answer. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.